Thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. Today I'm getting ready to do a red glamorous centerpiece. Now if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Go ahead on and push that subscribe button and like button and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and this channel. You ready to create this glamorous centerpiece? Let's create. The supplies you would need is a tall vase, okay? Now I broke the bottom of my vase, so what I did was I stuck it inside this round vase and just put a lot of foam in it. Okay, so I got a new vase. You will also need you'll also need some beads. Okay, now I'm getting ready to glue all my flowers onto my foam. Now I'm going to insert a video showing how I created this. Okay, now I'm going to create the top part of my centerpiece, and the first thing I'm going to do is trace and cut out 2 circles. Okay, after I finish cutting out both of my circles, now I'm going to glue each circle on the top and the bottom of this foam ring. Okay, now I'm going to glue all my flowers onto the foam. Okay, I'm going to take my beads and I'm going to measure it from right here to right here. Okay, about that much. Okay, now I'm going to cut all my beads the same length as my first bead. Have here I have 14 strings of beads. Okay, now I'm going to glue them on top of this board. now I'm going to put my gems inside of my vase. Then add my flower. Okay. And glue my top on, then glue my floral arrangement on top of my vase.
I can feel all these feelings inside when it's you and me, you and me. Tell me, why do I feel so alive when it's you and me, you and me? We could lay in this bed and just hide away. You'll give me your kisses, you'll hold me so gentle. We could leave this down and you could take me away. We don't have to hide, 'cause you're a treat so special.
Okay, I had another package of beads, so I decided I'm going to glue these beads on the bottom of this vase.
You're a treat so special. I can see why they call it love. I feel it in my bones, under my skin. Tell me why you're all I've ever loved. I feel it in my heart, deep within. We could lay in this bed and just hide away. You'll give me your kisses, you'll hold me so gentle. We could leave this down and you could take me away. We don't have to hide, 'cause you're a treat so special. Cause you're a treat so special.